How to fix sound problem on Viber app. What's up guys, if you have sound problem on Viber app, I will show you how to fix it right now. Easy and quick, so let's do it. Open first the settings of your device, click add the apps option, and you have to search right now for your Viber. Click and go directly, click add storage option. Click on clear cache here and back right now, click on for stop and click OK. So you come to Play Store or App Store, update your Viber, restart your device then, and that's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe and